Hello and welcome to a new video, and thank you for taking the time today to check this out. Today we're going to be going over my motorcycle helmet, and for those that do not know, I've been riding motorcycles for the best part of 9 years. In these 9 years I've had 2 Shark helmets, and this is my first Icon helmet, and today I'll be going over the pros and cons of this helmet. I believe at first you just need to look how amazing it looks, and not including the field of view. You sometimes feel like you're not wearing a helmet. I would say for me personally, the fitting in period of where the helmet takes to mold to your face did feel like a really long stretch of time. However, I really liked the design and it did fit. It was just a wee bit sore on the cheeks for about 3 or 4 weeks, as well as when I got my audio headset installed so I can speak to other people and listen to music. Speaking was quite sore as well, but eventually that did relax off, and yeah, it's a fantastic helmet. Just to briefly touch on the changing of the visor, because it comes with that tinted visor and the clear visor, as you can see in the video. Taking these things off can feel like you're breaking it, but honestly, once you've done it a few times, it does get better. All that's left to do is line up these lines there, make sure you get it in nice and tight, and yeah, no problem at all. And as I say, if you do find it a wee bit difficult, they do come out, they're just pressed in nicely. I would definitely recommend only having the tinted one on when you're out in the sun, because I got caught in the rain. It was dark, and yeah, it is very, very difficult to see sometimes if you've got the tinted visor on. This is just a quick demonstration of the fasting system, and you can see the sun visor as well. The ventilation also is really, really good, and you can lock them off in that. Sometimes I think it's a wee bit too good, and there's the back of the helmet there. Style looks amazing. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this helmet. You can take out all the insides, you can wash it. Once you get over the fitting in period, it really, really is a comfy helmet. The ventilation is amazing. Sometimes, you know, you wish you didn't have so much ventilation, but yeah, I would rather have over ventilation than no ventilation. And obviously you can lock them all off. You've got catches at the top and one in the mask as well. And yeah, that's it. The helmet I think is about two to 300 pounds, and not much more to say about that. So go and pick one up. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.